How to change tip in Instacart after delivery. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I will show you how you can change tip in Instacart after your order has been delivered. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. To actually change tip after delivery on Instacart, just launch the Instacart app and then tap on the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen, as you could see over here. Once you tap on the three lines icon, on the next page you'll find the option called Your Orders. Just go to the Your Orders tab. As you go to the Your Orders tab, here you'll find the orders that you have placed in the past, right? So just select the order that you might have placed, and then on the next specific page you'll find the option to actually change the tip. So just select 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, or you can also select just $2 in this case. So just select your percentage in this case and then just tap on the next option from the bottom. As you've done that, the final step is to simply give a rating and then actually go ahead and then write a comment to that person. And that's all it takes to change tip after delivery on Instacart. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.